1. Mr. Rollins' company has debts of over 33 million. 2. 2. Management is looking for an engineer with more expertise. 3. The sales results from the first quarter are not very promising. 4. Opening your own business requires a strong entrepreneurial spirit. 5. These three enterprises have not performed up to your expectations. 6. Professor Phillips received funding for his enterprise from First Federal Bank. 7. The franchisees were sent to a corporate training center to receive additional instruction. 8. Unfortunately, due to Mr. Marshall's lack of adequate collateral, her loan will be denied. Due to Mrs. Marshall's lack of adequate collateral, her loan will be denied. Denied. Due to Miss Marshall's lack of adequate collateral, her loan will be denied. One. Does Mr. Rollins' company have debts of over 33 million? 2. 2. Do. 2. 2. 2. 2. Is management looking for an engineer with more expertise? 3. Are the sales results from the first quarter not very promising? 4. Does opening your own business require a strong entrepreneurial spirit? Entrepreneurial. Entrepreneurial spirit. Strong entrepreneurial spirit. 5. Have these three enterprises not performed up to your expectations? 6. Did Professor Phillips receive funding for his enterprise from First Federal Bank? 7. Were the franchisees sent to a corporate training center to receive additional instruction? 8. Will Mr. Marshall's loan be denied due to her lack of adequate collateral?